Hello, brother. How have you been?
Yes, brother, I'm over the moon. What about you?
I'm on cloud nine. What's your name?
My name is Shafin Ahmed. You can call me Shafin. And what about you?
My full name is Mehidasan Ucho. You can address me as Ucho.
Oh,
Where are you from?
actually, I'm from Gopalganj, but currently I live at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. What about you?
I am from Tangai, the center of the Tangai.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What do you do in your leisure time?
In my leisure time, I always watch movies. And what about you?
In my leisure time, sometimes I play football, cricket, and sometimes I'm also watches movie.
Oh, okay.
What kind of movie do you love most?
Actually, I like to watch Hollywood movies in my leisure time. What about you? What kind of movie do you like most? Hollywood or
I-
Bollywood?
I also like a Hollywood movie. What's your favorite movie's name?
Actually, my favorite movie is Avenger. Do you know?
Yeah,
Yes, I love Avenger movie. What about you, brother?
I also love Avengers movie, and I have seen all the series.
All these?
Yeah. What kind of series do you love most?
Oh, my favorite series in Avenger is Endgame. And your?
My favorite part of this series is Infinity War.
Infinity War. Oh,
Do you watch?
yes, yes. So, brother, what's your favorite hero in Avenger and what is your hero's power?
In my Avenger movie, my favorite hero is Doctor Strange. Do you know?
Yes, yes, I know the question.
Yeah, in this, Doctor Strange has a magical power. Not even magical, he get this power by doing a lot of hard work. In this series, there is a lot of hard working for the situation he have to face. That's why I love it.
Actually, brother, I like Iron Man. You know Iron Man?
Yeah, I know.
Iron Man is the most intelligent hero in Avenger characters, all of the characters. So Iron Man, you know Iron Man. Iron Man has lots of technologies. He always use unique technologies. Also, Iron Man has a like iron shaped body, like costume. This costume has AI power. He can do anything with this costume. Also, he can defeat with his like costume. He can throw missile, or he can. He has lots of electric power. He can defeat his enemies. What is your favorite villain in Avenger movie?
In Avenger movie, my favorite villain is Thanos. Do you know
Yes,
Thanos?
yes, I know Thanos.
In this series, we all have seen that he always wants to dominate the all people. He can do with justice news after getting the all seven stones.
Yes. Actually, bro, I don't like villain, but I like. You can say I like Loki. You know Loki?
Yeah, I know.
At a series, Loki was villain, but currently he is a good person and good character he have. So
get
actually, yes, actually Loki is the step brother of like Thor. You know Thor?
Yeah, I know. Thor.
Thor is also a so powerful character.
Yeah.
He has two weapons.
Yeah.
One is most powerful weapon
Hammer.
is hammer, the smallest.
Yeah, small it.
You know how many people can manage this hammer? Only 7 people can manage this hammer.
Yeah. Okay, brother. That's it for today. Yes, it's a great pleasure for me to meet with
Okay,
you.
bro.
See you next time.
Okay.
Okay, have fun.